Hey guys, so we've all seen on YouTube that people are making their own inserts for their moulds. Well, I'm going to make mine, and these are just some stones that I bought from the garden centre, and I am going to seal these with resin. And once sealed, because they're still, you know, not in place, I'm going to seal them, and then I'm going to wait till they're done and put them in my box that I've made from an old Pringles box. I've sealed it with duct tape, and I am going to make my own moulds. So hopefully it should turn out alright. If not, then I'll just have to start again. But I've got so many ideas that I want to create my own moulds out of all sorts of things. I even want to create a mould from my lovely elephant, but I don't have enough to do just him. So I'm going to do these first, see how they turn out, and then possibly do my elephant at some other point. I want to make a mould out of him so I can put him in a pyramid that I've got, like an African safari type scene, but I'm just waiting to get some more silicone rubber and then I can give it a go. But this is my workspace, and we have plenty of stuff to keep me occupied, but I just keep running out of resin. I just keep doing so many little projects. My trinket box needs to be redone because the lid doesn't fit very well. So I really need to redo that. So yeah, I really need to redo the lid for that. But yes, let's concentrate on making these moulds. I'll seal them with resin, and then once they're sealed, I'll then pop a load of silicone over the top. So we shall get on with that now, and I'll come back in a minute once my resin is all mixed up and bubbles removed. So that's all my resin mixed up. I do have some extra to make something else, and we are going to put it through the Estoyo bubble machine, bubble remover, and give that 6 to 8 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll pour the resin over my stones and see how we get on. It's very noisy. That's the only downfall about it, but I'll have to get another one at some other time. But we're bubbling. Now that has done its job apparently, so we'll press this button and it now releases all the bubbles. So I shall wait a few minutes while that debubbles and releases any bubbles, and go for the next step. So that's what we have from the machine, so it's pretty good. I'll let that sit for a few more minutes, and then I will come back and I will pour over these stones. So I couldn't show you the pouring over the stones because I had a phone call, so I had to stop and the video stopped. So we've now poured the resin over the stones, which look pretty good. There's no air bubbles in that at all. So I'm hoping that when that sets, I can then use them as for new moulds. So I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, fingers crossed they work out and they come out all right. And I will post the results in a part 2. And we'll go from there. Cheers. See ya.